Hello. So for Breakout EDU, I often like to use the digital version just because it's easier to plan, it's a little bit quicker, and the engagement level is about the same with the students. So I always put a time just so students have their time. And to do that, you just go to videos and then you can search YouTube for a timer. Any time will work. The hint card, students only get one hint throughout the game, so it's nice to know if they've used it or have not used it. And then here. So on this one, you would want to delete this once you get a copy of my template, but you're going to go to text. Oh, first, you're going to go to three dots and you're going to want to make sure response validation is shown. Response validation is awesome because students get immediate feedback if their code is right or wrong. I've also used this in different classes just to give those students immediate feedback, and then they know, okay, I need to relook at this and where did I make my error? Once you click response validation, this is going to pop up. I always do text contains, and then I would type in the number. And then you need to put an error message. If you do not put an error message, students are going to get the right answer. So I could put try again. I could put a video link in here. If I was wanting to review a concept with a student, I could put a Google Doc link. I could give them a hint. So this is amazing, this little tool right here. Then you would want to delete that. Then for the next one, again, same thing. Text contains, you put the code in. I always tell them if it's all caps or not, and they have to spell it correctly. And then you can think of different things to say in a thing. Same thing here. And same thing with date lock. I tell them how it's going to look. Same thing with time. And then I always have a congratulations. They cannot get to this page until everything's correct. It's going to turn up red and they will not be able to view their answers. So if we go to the home page, I always make my games on a Google form and I put them on Google Sheets. So see here, it says try again. It says try again. Students can't submit until they get the right answers in their box. I always put the clues usually on another sheet. Again, students need to figure out the clues before turning it in because if not, the Google form does not save their answers. So see how I just went to another page? All my answers are gone. So they need to solve the clues first and then put them in the Google form, or at least write them down so they know if they're going to go back and forth. And then for those early finishers, I always have a reflection that they can fill out. Again, Google Forms are amazing, and that data validation is super helpful in the classroom for that immediate feedback. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.